Let's talk about quantum manifestation. This is something that I have been practicing more and more and more, and really understanding the dynamics of the energy. And it's truly understanding that you're the creator of your reality. The fact that you're here and living on this earth, you manifested this form into being. You are already manifesting. You manifested your entire life. You just may be doing it subconsciously. And that's what this whole channel is about, is to get out of your subconscious and get into your conscious state of manifestation, or creation is the way that I like to put it. So quantum manifestation is understanding that there are different timelines. There are different parallel universes that occur. So depending on your choices, right? Will you be on the lower timeline, the lower vibrational timeline, which is slower, you experience time slower, or the higher timeline of that of ecstasy and love, right? So you must think about where your thoughts are. Are they aligned with your words? Are they aligned with the emotion? Are they aligned with the compassionate action? And then how is your belief? Because if you believe that you are not worthy to create, then you will not receive your creation. Doubt will throw this away. Follow me for some more as I start to get into this more and more daily to become masters of our reality.